Hey guys, this is Spider-Man 117 back here with another video for the Halo Warthog build. Whatever part it might be, probably leave it in the video. But anyways, I'm going to take this motherfucker off on top. So what you do is this. And as I said, I'm just kind of taking my time to take each individual part. It's not like I'm out here with a fucking chainsaw cutting the motherfucker up. And then he popped that little son of a bitch off. You can put that right there. Probably just put it aside as far as I'm concerned. I already got the right one. Hit again 10. Go ahead, come down here. Let's see, I gotta get a good angle. Oh, fuck it.